This is epic. Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing. My name is Rose and today's video is about the unboxing of my Holy Grail watch. It's the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak in 37mm stainless steel silver dial. I'm gonna show you the full unboxing in here in a minute. Now let's start with the extras. They sent me this small box in here, maybe for travel or whenever you don't use it, you store your watch in here. So there's a small pillow here for the watch. And I stuck in here the plastics, which I took them off cam because it takes too long to take all the plastics. So this is the plastic for the bracelet and this one is for the dial. I also have in here another travel case. There you go. And this one is the receipt. And there's the authenticity card. Here you go. And the manuals are here. Here. And this. And now let's go to the watch. Here's the watch box. It's a glossy green wood. And now let's open it. And to reveal, ta-da! Okay. So excited for this. There you go. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Here you go. Here you go. It's a close up. Okay. Doesn't show much. Okay, again. Okay. Features of the watch. My favorite part is the dial. It's a grand tapisserie design with white gold hour markers. And my second favorite is the bracelet. They're beveled edges, so it shines when it reflects the light. Okay, and of course, the octagonal shape bezel with a screw design. And another feature that I like is the back. Look how pretty it is. Okay. Now there you go. It's the ref number 15450 ST silver dial. Case size 37mm. Case thickness is 9.8 mm. Water resistance up to 50 meters. And power reserve is 60 hours. With an AP folding clasp. Now I'm gonna show you the full unboxing of this watch. That's it, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next unboxing. Bye-bye.